What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So the memory, go to the setting, go to the okay, the memory, which I mean the RAM. Where's the memory, battery, audio, storage, memory, RAM. Let me search the memory. Memory. Okay, sadly there is no RAM app, so you need to install the CPU Z for it. Normally most of the Android phone have a RAM memory setting, but this one do not have. But as you can see at the device, my device, the available RAM is like 31% out of 6 GB. Normally you don't need more than 3 GB of RAM, but this phone is like using like 4 GB. It's just caching the RAM, which means that it's just trying to put the RAM in case you need to use. Normally 3-4 GB is like the best sweet spot. 6 GB RAM is overkill. I know there are phones which are using 12 GB RAM. Who really care? Yeah. I mean, the RAM management is quite good at the end of the day. It was me, Jimmy. Check out links in the description box. Bye.